My name is Jack Connolly. I moved to Wayland in 1970. Well, I'm a tennis player and a golfer, so tennis was the thing that most interested me in the club. I can't remember quite when, but I got to know Laurie fairly early. He was kind enough to give me some lessons on tennis, an exceptionally good, helpful instructor. I came here very regularly. I mean, 4 times, maybe 5 times a week. It became a integral part of my life plan of trying to stay in some semblance of shape. One of the other indications of a good organization is that he has people on his staff for a long time. There's not a lot of turnover. I see the same faces when I come in one year versus the next. So I think his record of, and he is seen by the people I talk to with a great deal of respect.